Okay, I'm going to create the same scene as the early morning sunrise. I'm going to do a later evening sunset this time. So I'm going to mark in where my sun is going to be with the white. Let's put that about there, same again. And I'll start from the top using this lovely cerise pink. It drops quite a bit of pastel dust, that one. Going in with a red. So I've started really quite warm at the top with the colouring, and I'm getting sort of lighter as I get to the sun. Less warm. Well, yeah. So I'm going to use the yellow to go either side. Let's give that a rub in, see where we're at. So circular motions. This is the best bit. These colours are really nice to blend. Love that. Okay, so just giving the white a bit of a wipe. Give it a wipe on the tissue because it picks up quite a lot of pastel dust. And mind you, rub it with a clean finger. Okay. Let me put the ground in. Again, let's make the top a little bit uneven. Rubbing it in. And we'll just put in a little tree there. And I'll just put some street marks in, cloud formations. Some little birds. And there you have it, an evening sunset.